Hello, everyone. Welcome to this demonstration of our restaurant order management system. This tool is designed to streamline the process of taking and managing customer orders in a restaurant. Let's dive into how it works. This system allows the restaurant staff to efficiently manage orders by providing several options: viewing the menu, adding items to an order, modifying orders, viewing the current order, and calculating the total cost. The first step is to view the menu. The system displays a list of all available items along with their prices, ensuring that the user can make informed decisions about what to order. Next, we can add items to the order. For example, if a customer wants to order a burger and fries, the system will add these items along with the specified quantities to the order. Once items have been added, the user can view the current order at any time. This feature is helpful to check what has already been ordered and in what quantities. If the customer changes their mind, the order can be modified. The system allows updating the quantity of any item or removing an item entirely from the order. Finally, the system can calculate the total cost of the order. This helps the customer to know how much they need to pay. To conclude, our restaurant order management system is a simple yet powerful tool that makes the process of managing customer orders easy and efficient. It's ideal for any restaurant looking to enhance their service quality. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you found this demonstration useful.